Here I have Nissan Ariya NISMO, and let me show you how to set speed limit. So let me show you how to connect your cruise control to the traffic sign recognition camera and map data. So at the very beginning, let's use both navigation buttons on your steering wheel to navigate this screen behind the steering wheel. If you use those two left and right arrows, you will highlight the settings. Press now OK button to enter the settings. Of course, the OK button is under scrolling wheel. You just need to press this left scrolling wheel on your steering wheel. And now you can scroll down to highlight driver assistance. Press OK to enter driver assistance. Now let's enter the intelligent cruise. So let's press OK button again. Under intelligent cruise, you've got few important and useful settings. One of them is speed limit link. Let's just press it. Right now you've got set up the speed limit to prompt. So basically, what does this feature do? When the car detects a change in the speed limit, for example from 120 kilometers to 100 kilometers, it reacts to the new limit. Right now we've got only prompt, so the car won't change speed automatically. Instead, it will show a notification on your dashboard. You have to manually confirm the change, but you can change it to auto, so no confirmation will be needed. The car will automatically slow down, or you can just press off, so you won't be alerted about the speed limit. In my case, let me leave this as it was before, so in prompt. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.